Hi guys, it's me again, Roha Wanderer, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Filmora9 and how to use it. So first, find your Google Chrome and then search for uh, best editor app for MacBook video editor. Actually, it's video editor. Yan. So in here, makikita mo number one, best video editor for Mac Pro. So just click that. Once you click it, you need to read. No, so it's wondershare Filmora9 video editor, the best video editor. Uh, this is uh, the editor that is using now for our most of our vloggers, no. And then once you see it, just click free download and it will automatically be downloaded. Then just hit downloads, then find wondershare, then double click, and then for it to install. Next is this is the view of Filmora9. So if you already have videos to edit, just click new project, and then here you will see the setup of the wondershare. So there is media, audio, titles, transition effects, elements, split screen, and here you will see the editing plane here. This is where you edit your video, your pictures, and so on. So here, I have here a video, since I want to edit it. So just click import, or just you have two options. You will click import media files here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It will automatically be imported here. Again, click again, media files, and then if you want pictures, so if photo, go to here, so click. Okay, that's it. So one video and 3 photos added in the plane. So we also have options. You also have options to drag. Let's say, for example, let's delete this one. Delete. So here we have here the video now. And let's try to drag. By using the drag, automatically Finder. Go to Finder. Then your photo. Just look at your photo. And then once you hit control, then drag some photos. The same thing guys goes with importing and dragging. The same thing. So now I want you to choose and The resolution of the frame rate of this media does not match with the setting of this project. Do you want to change the project setting to match this media? Keep project settings. Okay, let's read this one. The resolution or frame rate of this media does not match the setting of this project. Do you want to change the project setting to match the media? Always yes. Keep project setting or match to media. Match to media. Let's try this one. Match to media. And if we're going to add this picture, where can we put? Ay. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Roha Wanderer. So, lumabas lang ako kasi may binili ako sa pharmacy at nag-grocery din. After that, okay, there's the cursor. I wasn't able to look for. Okay, here. OMG.
Yung lalaki ko na yung tambay ng pawn shop, yung babae, 5 cent. Anong year na ba yan ako?
4th year. Ang internship, tapos
May isang doktor na nag-positive pero umokay na?
gumaling na. Recovered na, recovered. Totally recovered. Gawin natin lahat para sa mga anak natin. Matagal ako nawala sa buhay ng anak ko.
Paano mo gusto pag-usapan to, ha?
Here. So just locate. Here's the last. Okay. try to. So, eto. Masyadong mainit. So, we are now in the second week of enhanced community quarantine here in Cebu, no, in the province of Cebu, Cebu City, Mandawi, and Lapu-Lapu. So, kasi close yung mga borders. So, yung makakalabas lang is yung may quarantine pass. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung yung itsura ng quarantine pass namin. So, ito yung quarantine pass namin. So, hindi lang ako sanay guys kasi iba to sa mga the usual nating ginagawa, no? Yung pupunta tayo sa mall, yung try to look for the video. Sounds. So wait. And actually, there is some effects here that you will be able to choose. No, there's many effects. Then the elements for the pictures. Then also the split screen, whatever you like. We will also have transition, so it's up to you. We also have titles and audio. If you want to add some audio in your media. And that's it guys. If you like this video about Filmora9 or using Filmora9, just click subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Puri mo hotdog.